Today let's talk about impact of adherence to beta blockers in patients with all-comers ST segment elevation myocardial infarction and according to left ventricular ejection fraction at discharge results from the real-world registry FAST ST elevation myocardial infarction. Beta blockers are a crucial part of post-myocardial infarction pharmacological therapy. Recent studies have raised questions about their efficacy in patients without reduced left ventricular ejection fraction. This study aims to assess adherence to beta blockers after discharge for ST segment elevation myocardial infarction and the impact of adherence on outcomes based on left ventricular ejection fraction at discharge. The retrospective registry, FAST ST elevation myocardial infarction, evaluated real-world adherence to main cardiovascular drugs in patients with ST segment elevation myocardial infarction between 2012 and 2017 by comparing purchased tablets with expected ones at 1 year through pharmacy registries. Optimal adherence was defined as greater than or equal to 80%. Primary outcomes included all-cause and cardiovascular death, while secondary outcomes were myocardial infarction, major minor bleeding events, and ischemic stroke. The study included 4,688 patients discharged on beta blockers. The mean age was 64 plus or minus 12.3 years, 76% were male, and the mean left ventricular ejection fraction was 49.2 plus or minus 8.8%. The mean adherence at 1 year was 87.1%. Optimal adherence was associated with lower all-cause and cardiovascular mortality. In patients with left ventricular ejection fraction less than or equal to 40%, optimal adherence was linked to reduced all-cause and cardiovascular mortality, but this was not found in patients with either preserved or mildly reduced left ventricular ejection fraction. Predictors of cardiovascular mortality included older age, chronic kidney disease, male gender, and atrial fibrillation. Optimal adherence to beta blocker therapy in patients with all-comers ST segment elevation myocardial infarction reduced all-cause and cardiovascular mortality at 1 year, once stratified by left ventricular ejection fraction. This effect was confirmed only in patients with reduced left ventricular ejection fraction less than 40% at hospital discharge. Impact of adherence to beta blockers in all-comers ST elevation myocardial infarction patients and according to left ventricular ejection fraction at discharge results from the real-world registry FAST ST elevation myocardial infarction.